Dear students, in hydrocarbons we have already completed alkanes and the alkenes. The third one is alkynes. So like alkene, this is also an unsaturated compound. In alkynes, at least one triple bond will be there between the carbon atoms. You take the first member. This is the first member of homologous series alkynes. One triple bond is there between the carbon atoms. So the primary condition for the alkyne is at least one triple bond will be there between the carbon atoms. Then due to the presence of the pi bond, the compound is an unsaturated compound. Alkane is a saturated compound. Alkene as well as alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. So compound is made up of only two kind of atoms, carbon and hydrogen. They are present with pi bond. So this is an example of unsaturated hydrocarbon. And what is the general formula? For alkane, we studied CnH2n plus 2. This is for alkane. What is the general formula for alkene? For alkene, CnH2n. For alkynes, the general formula CnH2n minus 2. So n represents number of carbon atoms. Just to substitute the numbers like 3, 4, 5 and so on, you will get different alkynes. So general formula CnH2n minus 2. Substitute number 2. When you substitute number 2, the molecular formula will be C2H2. So this is the first member of alkyne. We can write the structure as CH triple bond CH. So this is called acetylene. Common name is acetylene. UPAC name is ethyne. So two carbon atoms present. The root word is eth. And we have a triple bond. So what is the primary suffix? YNG. So we already studied. The formula for writing UPAC name is prefix plus root word plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. So this is the formula to write UPAC name. So this is the simplest compound. It does not have any branch or a substituent. So prefix cannot be mentioned. So prefix will not be there. Root word is based on how much carbon atoms present in the organic compound. Two carbon atoms present. So root word is eth. Primary suffix represents saturated or unsaturated compound. We have a triple bond. So primary suffix is YNE. Secondary suffix represents functional group, name of functional group. Here we don't have any separate functional group. The triple bond will behave as a functional group. So already triple bond is mentioned as a primary suffix. So secondary suffix will not be mentioned. So ethyne is the UPAC name of first member. Its common name is acetylene. Next, number 3. Substitute number 3. The formula will be C3H4. Right? We can write the structural formula CH3 C triple bond CH. 3 carbon atoms and totally 4 hydrogen atoms. This is the second member of alkyne. It is a homologous series. We can write the members each successive member will differ by CH2 unit. We already discussed. When you take any two successive members in a homologous series, the difference is CH2 unit. Comparing first member, second member has one more extra carbon and two more hydrogen atoms. See that? One carbon and two hydrogen atoms are more. So they are differing by CH2 units, or we can say 14 AMU. So they are homologous series. How can we write UPOG name? We don't have prefix, we don't have substance or branch. We may write the root word. There are 3 carbon atoms. So root word prop. We have a triple bond. It is an unsaturated compound. For the triple bond, primary suffix YME. So this is propyne. Okay. No functional group. So this is propyne. Substitute number 4 here. C4H6. Molecular formula C4H6. We can derive the structural formula CH3, CH2, C, triple bond CH. One more possibility, CH3, C, triple bond C, CH3. So for the molecular formula C4H6, two structural formula can be written. What about UPOG name? There are 4 carbon atoms. A root word is but. Primary suffix YME. Triple bond is present. Primary suffix YME. When you check these two compounds, molecular formula is same, but position of triple bond is different. So these two are positional isomers, and the property is known as positional isomerism. So since the position of triple bond is different, we have to indicate at what position the triple bond is present. So when you take the first isomer, give the number for the longest chain. The triple bond is present between first and the second carbon. So the position is 1. We should not give the number from left to right. The position will be 3. Triple bond will be present between third and fourth. That will be a wrong method. So we give number from right to left. The triple bond is present between first and the second carbon. So this is but1-ine. In this one, the same 4 carbon atoms in the longest chain. So root word but. Triple bond is present. Primary suffix YME. The position of triple bond is 2. You can give number from left to right as well as right to left. The triple bond is present between second and third carbon. So the least number is 2. This is but2-ine. Okay. Substitute number 5, C5H8. So we can write the structural formula CH3, CH2, CH2C, triple bond CH. CH3, CH2, C, triple bond C, CH3.